first time, so I'm exhausted on flight, but it wasn't bad because I actually got to sleep. So this is day one. Time to eat breakfast. No, that's okay. Can we say Times Square in Madrid?
Times Square in their soul. Times Square in their soul.
Yes, we thought Times Square is the only place that actually have madness now.
Times Square.
Madrid had its own share of madness too.
Supposing you're good, you want to cool down.
You want to cool down? Hello, looks yummy. We say best thing ever when it's about 90 degrees outside. Yes, I'm gonna enjoy this.
Hola. I leave the streets out right now. I leave the streets look like streets and they look like alley like Venice.
She was doing a video and she said hola in the camera.
You come call the people them road them alley and Venice. At least those look them nickel but them look like streets still. Unlike Venice where they may call them alley. Cars can drive through theirs.
Yeah, they do drive through here.
But a car can drive through
So yeah, just another thing too. The roads here, you think it's a road. Well, you think it's not a road, but it's a road. So you have to be careful. I mean, example, see how we walk in? And you see that truck coming down?
This one I didn't think they're low. This I didn't think they're low.
It's a road. They can drive through here and we're walking.
I thought these were blocked.
So, prime example of this being a road and we all walking through it. And then you have these side ones. Worse. Oh, let's check out the bootleg. They're everywhere, y'all. Not just New York. Your my mother talking trash, yes.
Waggies every darn where.
So, we're gonna try and get something to drink. We'll be right back. I did my first purchase and I bought these shades. They're from the bottom and they're pretty cute and they're different and me likes. Alrighty, so also somewhere else, my mother got some cool shades too, you should see hers. We just got our new glasses and the customer service was awesome.
Excellent.
Yes, they did a good job.
Yes, sorry.
There was some hiccups on the way, but they worked with us and got
lovely, lovely sales people.
You like my mother glasses? She thinks she bad.
All right. This is what the park when you talk about. The park when you talk about. Jardine, that's it.
So I'm out here shopping. Did a little damage umbrella. So now I am going to Zara. But it's not as bad now. The sun's coming down. But it's good.
Where's that one who was drinking all over the place in
Aperol Spritz. I still have mine now because it's become very popular in London.
You are a refugee? Jamaica never did so on you?
Let me take me. Let me make sure me get that sign there. That we can tweet it to Donald Trump.
Nightlife in Madrid. And I'm hungry. So we're out trying to find somewhere to eat and somewhere to do a little party. You talking about shoes and we hungry? It's a trio, it is jazz. It is jazz. You would find one. You would find one. So we found a jazz spot. And you know how much I love jazz.
Tomorrow it's same tomorrow.
Same tomorrow?
9 to 11.
Oh.
In the shower.
But necessary the work and very good voice. Yes.
Oh my God. Oh,
I'm loving it.
we're gonna have to do it tomorrow.
Yeah, it's very good one from Cuba.
Really?
Ooh.
Wow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Okay, how much?
11 euros.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Do you do food?
Yes, very good.
Do you need to cook?
Yes, it's possible to make reservations.
Shall we?
You want?
Yeah.
Oh, we're out, first night out, and we at a local restaurant, and we're about to have some paella, some seafood paella, and the weather is so beautiful. It's about 80 degrees out here, and everybody's walking around enjoying it. And interested, so after this we're going to find a cool spot to listen to some music and hang out a little bit before we head back to the hotel. So, see you guys later. Oh, stay tuned. Yeah, we're getting used to this vlog. Stay tuned for some more good stuff. You see it? So it's kind of late, but I am actually out here trying to find this famous dessert spot that's 24 hours. And then we saw this, and it's absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at this architecture. Absolutely beautiful. All right, the adventures continue. In the middle of the night, it is almost 1 a.m. and we're out here trying to find dessert, but we're gonna get it. That's crazy. After searching, we finally found this famous chocolate spot that everybody talks about. Here we go. Time to get some. And let's hope we're happy about it. Sit. Not sure. It smells good in here. It smells good in here. Here we go. Time to order some goodies. Yeah, we found it. And it better be good. 1 o'clock in the morning. Anyway. These famous people on the wall.
That's the
I know. What is this exactly called again?
churros
Churros.
con chocolate.
Chocolate. Yep.
With chocolate.
Alrighty. So we're gonna try this out, and the Food Network better be right. Ooh.
And freshly baked. Well, they are
Ooh. What do you say? Not diet friendly. Definitely not diet friendly, but if you come to Madrid, you have to try this. The Food Network got this right.
This is the best churros in the day.
Oh my god.
24 hours.
And it's 24 hours. Can't go wrong. Oh my god. Dad went to chocolate heaven. You can only have this once in a while.
Chocolate is healthy depending on what it is. You don't add no sugar.
Yeah, but you see this bowl? You see how big this bowl is? Pretty sure they weren't talking about this much chocolate.
That's sexy to eat. It's medicinal. Even in Jamaica with the cocoa tea.
Oh yeah, that's
That's healthy. Let's tell a story actually, don't you think?
Oh. Yeah, tell the story.
No, I'm not telling a story. You tell a story on your blog.
So this is her open up, this rock that this wonderful gentleman gave her. He didn't speak, he wrote everything down, and he was such a sweet guy. Very earthy and in tune with nature, and we're curious to see what this stone looks like. And apparently he wrapped it in a leather covering and painted it. Ooh. Let's zoom in on this. I'm zooming in. Okay. Oh, wow. It's actually pretty. Let me see the other side. I wonder what it means. Because everything seemed to mean something to him. Wow. Nice. So at least you said you got
piece of
something.
modern art.
Yeah, so you got something very authentic from Madrid, and you're always gonna remember this moment. And one of the plus things he said was he knew that somehow she had a degree, and he asked her if she has a BA or an MA. And I thought that was wonderful that this guy who is white, very light gray hair, and he would look at a wonderful black woman and said, what kind of degree do you have? He just assumed she had a degree right away. And I thought that was nice.
It's amazing.
Yes. So,
It's lovely. I'm really pleased with that.
no.
There's a place for it.
Yes. Save it.
Yeah? It's going to
And-
go on my console table at
Yes.
home.
I don't know what they're saying. Or whatever. Madrid, and we're about to do the bus tour and act like a real tourist instead of trying to wing everything. But I am a little tired from being out late last night and having a couple drinks, but we're about to do some sightseeing and see all the things we didn't get to see so far since we've been here. And still another beautiful day, and here we go. Trying to learn some Spanish, so buenos dias. Yeah, I suck.
Area, to find reasonable price things that probably just ignore.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good.
Where are you from?
All right.
Give me the paper, please. ¿Qué tal? Give me these papers. How many people take? Hola, buenos días. Wait here.
That's my bus. So looking forward to some French food, fun stuff. And here we go. I'm over. Anyway, after this day, you found a rental? You went and found a rental. So, finally you get to the famous market and eat. And eat. Oh, what is? Oh, the mist.
Yes, sir. All right now. Seafood for
Yes, yes. More and try
There's
this.
no seafood in there. They're not like what we had yesterday.
Let's hope it's not salty.
Yeah, that was not salty.
This better not be. All right now. You see them for them fire? I didn't see them. People got give me that seasoned rice. That seasoned rice. That's all it is.
Yeah, say it again.
Seasoned rice slash paella. Same thing. Four people food. They're going to be able to something put up in there. One hot meal. They don't know for me.
Oh my God, this is food heaven. Food heaven. Food was good. This is like what you call, if you're a foodie, this was heaven.
And the English came and couldn't do nothing
We
with
tried to
it.
bike up.
I absolutely enjoyed it. And time to do some more walking and work this food off. Alrighty.
Yeah.
See another adventure. So this is what the square looked like in the daytime, unlike yesterday's chocolate hunting. And a lot more people here than yesterday. Oh well, we were here almost 1 o'clock in the morning, so it was not many people first. It's a beautiful day. Now it's hot. Let's see what it's time. Check out my brother who decided to rent a bike. In the heat.
It's hot. You know, I was cooling down under the hand dryer in the back.
But the AC was
Blow
on.
on me. It's still hot.
Yeah. Hello, Spain. Alright, guys. We're checking again.
Peace out.
Yeah.
Be cute. You can't sit with us.
Anyway, we just saw some jazz. And we're heading back.
Very
The jazz. Yeah. So we're heading back. We have to get up early in the morning. Go to Barcelona. But it's not as lively. It's definitely not New York City, but there's still people around. We're taking a cab, lady.
You could. I see a main street up there. We could
There's
make
Main
this.
Street right here. Walk no, walk no. Look how I see about your bed. Oh yeah, I didn't. You still can do it. There's some alley here. And this is the hotel lobby. It was a cool hotel. It was pretty nice. 4 stars and worth it. It is called Malia Glantas. Oh jeez. Forgive me guys. I'm not pronouncing this right, but this is the hotel. Yeah, headed back to the US. Been here for a week now. So, the fun is over. Last day. And I don't want to go back home, but Madrid. It was real. Time to get back to the US. Back to New York. Back to real life. But it was fun. And thanks guys for watching. And and I hope you guys enjoy this video.